which is that sometimes when you open your email, they're not looking to scam you. They just want to see if you opened your email.
Yeah,
Mhm. Wow.
absolutely.
When it comes to artificial intelligence, there's lots of topics to discuss, but let's talk about cybersecurity. This is something that is very sensitive, but check out this clip and let's dive into it.
So not having those end users mindset shifted to say, if I protect myself, I protect everybody.
Mm.
I protect my family.
That
I protect my corporation. I protect my job. I protect my paycheck that's coming down the pipeline.
Yep.
Yeah.
So if you look at that mind shift, it's the one that's been the weakest link of all cybersecurity vulnerability. Because they're not coming after your device because they like you. They're coming after you because you have a password.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
And how do they get that out of you is in many ways. I think I want to hit on something that is nuanced, which is that sometimes when you open your email, they're not looking to scam you. They just want to see if you opened your email.
Yeah,
Mhm. Wow.
absolutely.
When it comes to protecting your data, for example, data that you use to run your AI models, data that you have in order to have your large language model serve your chatbot to your customers, it's interacting with your customers, it's interacting with your data. That's very sensitive. And it's very valuable to a lot of the hackers in order to access those data and take over those data for many purposes and many reasons. And one of the ways to do it is through deepfake and social engineering. As you can imagine, the sensitivity of the data that you have within your organization, it used to be highly vulnerable. And today it's far more vulnerable than what we're accustomed to. For many years, we've had DevOps, and we are moving into ML ops, LLM ops, and AI ops. These are key components to your success, and you really have to get your team to understand where they contribute to each of these pieces of the operations. As you can imagine, team alignment is a very important topic. And from our experience, the way we understand the organizations and organizational change management and your need for artificial intelligence, once you integrate it, the best way to capture everything you need for artificial intelligence is to have your team alignment conducted. Team alignment is not something that you do one time and it's off. No, it's a continuous checks and balance in order to understand that not all participants of your change management and AI ops development, whatever the implementations that you're working on, there's not going to be all agreements all the time, but you have to have a feed of continuous news and new updates coming in to each individual that's participating through, let's just call it a community of practice. Best practice you can put together is to have a meeting once or twice a month and share information that's important to your business process. This may not sound very new to you. That community of practice have been here before. Same with train the trainer. In a community of practice, you need a trainer person who's going to keep up to date with what's going on in machine learning, what's going on in AI, and what's going on in the data acquisition world. These three topics are highly important for the trainer to share this information with all stakeholders involved, all the business process owners, and the data owners. If you have questions or concerns about artificial intelligence, we meet every other Monday to answer your questions live, to give you some of the perspectives that we have to help you make better decision, if not faster decision. Next Monday we'll join and we'll talk about parents and what do the kids need to know about artificial intelligence.